What if true power and premium comfort ruled the highway? This is not just a truck. It's engineered for dominance and comfort on every mile. Meet the Western Star 57X, a bold evolution of modern heavy-duty trucking. Built by Western Star Trucks, it delivers premium aerodynamics, a refined interior, and next-level driver comfort. The spacious cabin is designed for long-haul living, with smart storage, advanced infotainment, and reduced noise for a smoother ride. Under the hood, it brings serious power and efficiency, making every haul confident and controlled. From highways to extreme routes, the 57X stands strong as a symbol of durability, luxury, and performance combined in one unstoppable machine. Today.
What if long-haul trucking felt like first-class comfort on wheels? This is not just a truck. It's a powerhouse built for long-haul comfort and unstoppable strength. Meet the Mack Anthem, where aerodynamic design meets premium driver comfort. From its spacious sleeper cabin to advanced controls, every detail is engineered for performance and ease on the road. This heavy-duty machine delivers serious torque while keeping drivers relaxed on the longest journeys. Smart visibility, fuel efficiency, and rugged durability make it a true leader in modern trucking. If power, comfort, and reliability had a name, it would be Mack Anthem. Built to move the world, mile after mile, without compromise. Every single journey. Today. What if ultimate comfort and raw trucking power came in one machine? This is not just a truck, it's a luxury-grade powerhouse built for the long haul. Meet the Volvo VNL860, where comfort meets uncompromising performance. Designed by Volvo Trucks, this machine redefines life on the road with an ultra-spacious sleeper cabin, ergonomic seating, and advanced driver assist technology. Every mile feels smoother thanks to its precision engineering and fuel-efficient performance. The VNL860 delivers massive torque while maintaining a quiet, stable, and controlled ride. From highways to cross-country routes, it's built for drivers who demand power, safety, and comfort in one package. This is trucking, elevated to a whole new level. Today, unmatched.
What if the future of trucking was silent, powerful, and fully electric? This is not just a truck. It's a next-generation leap into electric heavy-duty performance. Meet the Nikola Tre, designed for long-haul efficiency, quiet power, and futuristic driving comfort. Built by Nikola Corporation, it combines zero-emission technology with serious highway capability. Inside, the cabin feels modern and driver-focused, with smart digital controls, ergonomic seating, and reduced noise for fatigue-free journeys. On the road, it delivers smooth acceleration, strong torque, and impressive stability under heavy loads. It represents the future of freight, cleaner, smarter, and more efficient. If innovation had wheels, this is what it would look like on every highway worldwide today.
What if electric power and heavy-duty strength finally became one unstoppable truck? This is not just a truck, it's a powerful evolution of electric heavy-duty engineering. Meet the Peterbilt 567 EV, built for strength, sustainability, and long-haul confidence. Developed by Peterbilt Motors Company, it delivers instant electric torque, smooth acceleration, and zero-emission performance without sacrificing capability. The bold exterior design reflects its rugged DNA, while the interior is built for driver comfort, with advanced digital controls, ergonomic seating, and reduced cabin noise. Every mile feels stable, efficient, and future-ready. From demanding freight routes to modern logistics, this machine proves that power and sustainability can move together seamlessly on every road ahead today.
This trailer can move massive bulk cargo with incredible efficiency. Meet the Bulkliner S, a modern truck innovation engineered for high-capacity bulk transportation. Built with lightweight yet durable construction, this advanced trailer is designed to transport large volumes of dry goods, industrial materials, and agricultural products with maximum efficiency. Its aerodynamic structure improves fuel economy, while the smart unloading system allows faster and smoother material discharge. Designed for demanding logistics operations, the Bulkliner S combines strength, stability, and performance to handle heavy workloads across long distances. From industrial supply chains to large-scale farming transport, this trailer proves that modern trucking technology is becoming smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before.